Now let's proceed. Types of software. We have three. We have the system software, application software, and network software. So as we talk about system software, these are the types of computer programs that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. Meaning, kung sa tao sana ito yung middleman, siya yung panggitna. Ibig sabihin siya yung tumutulong sa computer hardware para magtrabaho. At ganun din para sa mga application program. So ano yung mga examples natin dyan? Meron tayong mga general software, yun yung mga operating system. Kagaya ng nandito sa may picture, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and Mac OS operating system. Okay, so we will talk about further these three later on. Next, application software. So application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Meaning, in application software, those are now the softwares that are being utilized for specific reasons or purpose. It could be personal, educational. When we talk about personal, it could be entertainment, or for somewhat reason. Okay, for educational purpose and for business function. So we have here an example of some application softwares which are being used for personal and educational purpose. We have Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Now, next, network software. Network software is defined as the wide range of software that streamlines the operations, design, monitoring, and implementation of computer network. By the way, class, in computer system, it's not just alone. We are using the computer. We have to use also this. Nowadays, we use computers for network purpose. Ibig sabihin, we use computers not only for just a reason that we have to encode data and then we have to print it. Nowadays, we can share our data online. So, doon na pumapasok yung network software rather. So, yun yung nagbibigay sa atin ng pagkakataon upang ma-streamline natin, may pakita natin, hindi lang sa atin, kundi sa mga kasamahan natin sa trabaho or mga kaklase o kaya naman through online, we can share that worldwide. You know? So, hindi lamang dito pwedeng sa ibang bansa. Pwede nating i-share yung mga data natin using the network softwares. So, meron tayong mga examples rito. Ito yung mga pwedeng gamitin for specific purpose for operation, design, and monitoring. Hindi pa included dito yung ginagamit natin commonly na yung mga social medias na ginagamit natin like Facebook, Messenger. So, ito yung mga examples rito. Okay, just take a look on the screen.